May sumitsid sa may
Pangpangmusrahin Serangingene muncul, muncul Sunar sumambura. I know you belong to somebody new, but tonight you belong to
I love them well. As hell that holds me. Maybe if I casted out a spell, but told them decorations weren't pastel ribbons. Maybe it's a cruel joke on me. Whatever, whatever. Just means there's way more cake for me forever, forever. It's my party and I'm crying for one to, crying for one to. How come till the candles burn down this place? How come?
looking at me through your window. Boy, you had your eye out for a little. I've cut you up and make you doing it. You've reached the end, you are the winner. Rolling down your tinted window, driving next to me real slow. He said, let me take you for a joyride. I got some candy for you inside. Running through the parking lot, he chased me and he wouldn't stop. Dang, you're in.
Ano yan? Nagre-review din, may quiz mamaya.
Hala, time na! Baka nandun na si Sis sa classroom.
Tara! Balita ko, ikaw yung top 1 sa inyo dati ah.
Oo, siya yun. Sobrang talino niya. Best friend ko to.
Di naman.
Pre, ang tagal naman nila. Nainip na ako.
Kaya nga eh.
Ayan na pala eh. Hoy, tara na! Ay, hindi pa ka na.
Oo, pero magbasa.
Kayo? Oo.
Pangpangmusrahin Serangingene muncul Sunar sumambura. Pangpangmusrahin Serangingene muncul Sunar sumambura.
Okay, class, prepare your one question in the paper. Number your paper from 1 to 10.
May sumitsid sa may hagdan, ang dilim doon walang hanggan. May babae na dumaan, bakit bigla siyang gumapang? Ole ole naririnig, sa may banyo nanginginig, merong boses beses na mahinhin, wag kang lilingon sa'kin. Tinatawag pangalan ko, si mama sa may kwarto. May tumawag sa telepono, nak may bibilhin lang ako. Di ko malaman gagawin, di ko alam sasabihin. May paparating na tunog padyak.
Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on.
Di siya deserve sa mga score niya. Nakakainis!
Ano bang problema mo?
Hindi dapat maging top 1 si Daya. Naisip akong paraan. Ligawan mo kaya?
Ibibiro ka ba?
Sige na, para hindi siya makapag-focus sa kanyang pag-aaral.
Sige na nga.
Lufia, ano ginagawa niya dito? Wala, may pinag-uusapan lang.
Good morning, everyone. We have a new classmate, Sandro, from Gensan.
Good day everyone, I'm Sandro. Nice to meet you all.
Sandro, please be seated beside Sio.
Thank you, sir.
Pwede ko bang malaman kung bakit ano ang rason ng transfer ka dito? If you need friends, I'm here with your classmates.
Thank you everyone.
Hanggang kamatayan. Walang iwanan!
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Sir Mateo.
Okay, please be seated. Hey everyone, I am going to announce the ranking this quarter. I have printed your certificates now. The top 4 with honors: Kai, Abel, Ilyas, Nico, and this is the top 3 with high: Anya, Zio, Napia, and this is the top 1 with IS, Daya.
Nakakainis. Di bagay sa kanya ang top 1. Dapat ako maging top 1. Humanda kayo sa gagawin namin sa inyo sa picnic.
Hindi ako para sa picnic natin.
Ako rin. I hope this is gonna be most memorable and unforgettable day.
Sana pala dito na ako nag-aaral dati kasi sobrang saya niyo.
Sana walang masama mangyari sa atin.
Wala na ba kayo naiwan na gamit?
Wala na.
Tara na.
Tingnan nyo, ang saya nila, nakakainis tingnan.
Kaya nga, parang mga tanga.
How do I meet the strangest men? They always seem to find me. Remember that time way back when I kissed a guy who ate his women friends?
dogs will follow me.
Is he following?
I bite at the hand that feeds me, slap at the face that eats me. Some kind of animal cannibal made impressions on me. Have we met before?
Nasaan na yung iba?
Ayun sir, paparating na.
I don't want to set the world on fire.
Oh no. No, 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 silly. To dry it.
Kompleto na ba ang lahat dito? Magtipon-tipon na kayo dahil mag-check ako ng attendance. Zio, kindly check the attendance dahil may tumatawag pa sa akin.
Nasaan si Abiel?
Absent siya.
Silias? Present press.
Kai, present press.
Nico?
Present.
Jandro?
Present press.
Anya? Daya?
Present press.
Pia?
Fly to the moon, let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. You're not the one. Hold my hand. You're not the one. Baby, kiss me. Fill my heart with song. Let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. Another word, please be true. Another word, I love you.
Ang ganda ng view dun, no?
Oo nga.
Punta mo na ako sa taas.
Sige.
Nico! Nico!
Yung pinag-usapan natin nakaraan.
Alam ko. Daya, di mo mong ligaw?
Sorry, mag-focus muna ako sa pag-aaral.
Kaya samahan mo muna ako magbihis.
Handa ka, Daya.
Okay na ako, Daya. Salamat sa pag-antay. Pupunta na ako doon.
Nasaan si Daya?
Andun sinamahan ni Anya magbihis.
Oh, ba't nandiyan si Anya? Tara, pupunta tayo doon.
Tara.
Got everything you wanted, and here now wasting time stuck here like me.
Sino yung huling kasama ni Daya dito?
Thing that happened.
Si Anya!
Magpapasapa siya dito pag alis ko. Hindi ako may gagagawa niyan.
I have a feeling you got everything you wanted, and here now wasting time stuck here like me. You're just thinking it's a small thing that happened. The world ended when it happened to me. But even though you're killing me, I need you like the air I breathe. I need you more than me. I need you more than anything. Please.
Oh, bakit kulang kayo ng dalawa? Nasaan si Daya at si Lias?
Nilagnat sila, sir.
Sige, may aasikasuhin pa ako.
Sino yung huling kasama ni Daya doon? Si Anya.
Magpapasapa siya pag alis ko. Hindi ako pumatay. Kaibigan ko yun.
Halika Nico, mag-usap muna tayo.
You're all on your own and you lost all your friends.
Ito ba yung sinabi mo? Na si Anya yung huling kasama ni Daya? Oo!
Alam kong ikaw ang pumatay kay Daya.
Sandro, samahan mo ko doon.
Sa tingin ko, pumatay ka Daya, isinin ko.
Ikaw pumatay dahil alam ko mabuti